today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lord's mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Lord's mobile app, or just click on search here. Then here, so you add here Lord's mobile app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down. Just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.